your nose?
Nose.
Nose. Where is your eyes?
Up.
Yeah, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. It's learning time now. Where is your eyes?
Eyes.
Yeah, eyes. Where is it? Point your eyes. Where? Eyes.
Eyes.
Where is your ear?
Ear.
No, ear. Ear. No, ear is this one.
Ear.
Yeah. Where's your mouth?
Mouth.
Ear. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth?
Mouth.
Yeah. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your head? Yes. Where's your hands?
Eyes.
Yes. Where's your feet?
Foot.
Yes. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Yes. Where is your arm? Arm. Arm. Where's your arm? Yeah, that's your tummy. Where's your arm? How about where's your kilikili? Yeah. It's your wow. You have a strong tummy. Where's your kilikili? Kilikili. Tingili, tingili, kilikili, tingili. Where is your arm? Arm. This one, no. Arm. Yeah, this one is your arm. This one. Where is your shoulder? Yeah, where's your shoulder? This one is your shoulder. No, this one is your shoulder. This one is your shoulder. Shoulder.
A shell.
Yeah, where's your elbow? Elbow.
Apple.
Yeah, elbow. What is that? This one is yours? That's mine. This is mine. This is mine. Can I have it?
No.
Why no? That's mine. It's yours.
A chicken.
Can I borrow it? Can I borrow? Yeah, this is already mine.
This is me copy dog. Mine.
I know it's yours. Oh, I will give it back to you. I thought I can borrow.
This is the dog.
So I cannot borrow.
This is the gun now.
Okay then.
This is gun now.
Okay.
Daddy can now.
Okay, that one is here for bedtime. Yeah. That's for your bedtime. This one is for your bedtime.
This is the gun now.
Okay. You want me to wash it? Or no?
It's 545.
Yeah? You want me to wash it or no?
What is what?
Where are you going? Come here.
Eki.
Where are you going?
Eki.
Iki where?